If you're having trouble accessing your Facebook Marketplace, you need to go ahead and launch the Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner, scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, and tap on Settings. Now select the Account Center in the top, and then go to Profile and Personal Details. Scroll down to the Birthday section and ensure that you're 18 or older. Update it if necessary. Now come back and try updating your Facebook or Facebook Lite application to its latest version. You need to go ahead and launch your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on the search bar and search for Facebook or Facebook Lite, whatever is installed in your device. If you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Now try clearing the Facebook cache. Tap and hold onto the Facebook application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll down, tap on Storage, then click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, reliable, and strong. And you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode for 60 seconds and then turn it off. If the problem still persists, you can go ahead and report this problem to the Facebook application. So go ahead and tap on the three lines in the top right corner, scroll down, select Help and Support. Now tap on Report a Problem. Follow the on-screen instructions, select Marketplace from the list, and clearly explain your issue. And Facebook support can then review and potentially restore your Marketplace access. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.